What's going on, Martini? Everybody's leaving. That's okay, baby. We'll see our friends again. I don't get to see Jerry that much. I like him a lot. He's a good fella. Breaking down camp. He's coming over here. He wants something. Let's see what he wants. I'm gonna lick his hand.
My hitch only locked on one side, so I'll be stopping, getting out and looking.
Okay.
It's not anything to worry about. But it looks like I'm having terrible troubles.
I understand.
I'm just checking.
Double check, triple check.
Anyway, if I'm stopping, go ahead and pass me.
Enjoyed it. What a machine. What a machine. Hey everybody, Campervan Kevin here. How are y'all doing today? Me? I'm pretty good. Very much enjoyed my stay here in Cinder Hills OHV Park in Flagstaff. One of my favorite places, I think. Definitely top 10. Yeah, we're breaking camp this morning. Frank and Tammy, my friends, Frank had open heart surgery. He had a bad infection in his heart. So once a day they have to go down to the Cottonwood area for infusion, whatever. And Frank's oxygen levels have been kind of low. Well, we're at what, 7,000 feet elevation here? We're going to drop it down to 3, see if Frank can breathe a little bit better. So anyway, everybody's breaking camp, getting ready to go. Okay, we're here at camp this morning. Everybody's fixing to head out. Jerry and Miss Lynn from JC Travel Stories. He's been here for a couple nights.
You locked the big door? Huh?
The door between?
Yeah.
Getting this big, pretty Monaco turned around. Frank and Tammy,
Yeah.
they took the truck. He's got to put his step in. Frank and Tammy, they're gone to get Frank's treatments. Phil here, he's going to be moving Frank and Tammy's bus. We're going to lower elevation so Frank can breathe better, have more oxygen. Felix has got Miss Gypsy ready. Little dog, you don't miss anything, do you, Foxy Lady? You don't miss nothing. You don't miss a thing, don't miss a thing, don't miss a thing. Got a bail. What a beauty. You know, and this isn't an RV that goes from campground to campground. Jerry uses his, just like Frank. That's a lot of RV. Got Lady B, got everything put up, she's ready to roll. Got the levelers put up, everything secure. Baby's in there. Missing one. I see baby MaeMae and the Terrible. Yeah, these aren't. He don't treat his as a garage queen. He uses his. I don't know. I thought I wanted one this big, but I'm not so sure. I used to have a 36-foot Bounder, and I drove it fairly well. It was a Class A on a Ford chassis. It was gas. Woo. I think I'll stick with the gas units around the 30-foot mark. So he's got a little Jeep Liberty, I believe, that he tows.
Woo. Make a little dust?
Yeah, you know, I just had wiped down my RV. Thanks, Jerry.
Right. Sure you did.
What kind of toad did you have? I thought you had a Suzuki Sidekick.
Well, I traded it in for a Jeep Liberty.
Say it ain't so. You know, the Woof Woof wagon is a Sidekick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the real deal from Japan?
They're the real deal. I've had trackers and
I always
Sidekicks.
try to make a big deal out of people who have a tracker instead of a real deal.
I've had both. You ever have a 4-door?
No.
Well, those are even better.
You know, when I bought that thing, I thought it's going to be great for off-road, and it was. And then I took the top off, and it was cute.
Yeah.
And then you know how you get a different car, and you kind of driving down the road, and you're looking like when my BMW. I like seeing if people are looking at me. The only person who ever looked at me was a high school girl.
I got you.
With that tracker. Suzuki.
I hear you. I hear you. So you like the Jeep better?
It's more comfortable.
More comfortable.
And off-roading, I got surround sound and AC.
I like the Suzuki because I can't get into the Jeep without a stool.
You like the Suzuki better?
Yes.
It's easier to get in?
Yeah.
Me and you are on the same page. I like it. I like mine better too. Everybody can have one of those. It's hard to find a nice Suzuki tracker,
Yeah.
a Geo tracker or Suzuki Sidekick. I mean, you got good taste.
Yeah.
Start it right up.
Yeah.
My white tracker that I blew the engine on had a very similar setup. Should have kept it. Should have kept it.
I'm gonna take off and go get gas and stuff and we'll figure out the gas station.
1/4 inch.
Where you headed?
The gas station.
You gonna leave early? I don't. Are we going?
Well, I'll meet you. I'll wait for you over there.
We may not go past you.
Yeah.
I don't know if
You
we're
gotta go
working.
that way.
Okay.
You gotta hit 40.
Okay.
Where do you guys put your trash?
Gas stations.
I got a little too much for a gas station.
You just got to use smaller bags. That's a nice setup. You have that electronic brake control for this thing?
I do.
That's one reason I quit towing, because I didn't have anything like that.
Well, that's one of the reasons I bought this. It was already set up.
Oh, okay. It was already a Toad.
Yeah. Lady that had it took real good care of it. I know that from Carfax.
Right.
One of the problems with these is that the transmissions go out. Transmission was a new transmission was put in this 300 miles before I bought it.
Heck yeah.
I think you will.
Oh, all right. That's good.
It was set up to tow, and the reason that she didn't want it anymore, she died.
Well,
Oh, yeah?
we
And I bought
we leave in the box, not in the car.
I bought it from a dealer in Dallas. I bought it online. I was sitting down home in Mexico.
My friend,
It's been a great pleasure.
likewise.
We will see you down the road.
I hope so. Alrighty.
Count on it.
You know, I keep running into him, so I'm sure you will too.
Anyway, so the guy had it in his, it was a specialty car dealer,
Yeah.
but he buys stuff at auction and stuff, and he bought it at an auction. It went to auction from her estate.
Look at the head of hair on this man, 76 years old. I'm just saying. Well, go ahead.
I'm not 76 till next week, by the way. He had it sitting in his showroom, and I kept telling him, I said, you know, you need a $300,000 motorhome to pull that thing. You think it's an advantage to have all of that. How many people you walked into your showroom and said, I need a tow vehicle?
Mm-hmm.
He said, well, you got a point.
It's a nice looking vehicle.
It was nicer when it was in his showroom. I bought it to use.
Yeah, you're using
It's been off
you're
road.
using it all right. I hadn't showed everybody my new Toad.
I saw it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks like
I've got one less wheel. I've got one less wheel than you do here. Whatever this thing is.
this here is the best thing that a guy my age can get. 2 wheels, not enough.
There goes Felix. He's going to go get fuel. Meet us on the highway.
Felix leaving?
Yes, ma'am.
Leaving?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got a new Toad. Hadn't really shared it with anybody. There she is. We'll talk more about that soon. Clown. Tell you what, y'all find a good a fella as this fella right here. Y'all make him your friend. Felix is a good man. He's good people. He's far from perfect. He's far from perfect, but he's a good guy. This gypsy easing back down in there. So yeah, I still have the monkey, but I've picked up this 2011 Kawasaki KLR 650. It's got crash bars on it, kicks, center stand added, Corbin seat, new tires 2 or 3 months ago. There's that Corbin. It's not perfect. I've got a cracked mirror here. That's $12. 3,200 miles. Came with a very nice cover. I mean, extremely, one of the nicest motorcycle covers I've ever seen. The driver, it's got the factory seat. Looks like it's never been sat on. Other than the mirror, he said it fell over in a storm and it cracked this fairing right here. So currently I'm looking for a replacement one of these. If you can find, I should be able to find a used one for about $85. I can find get a brand new black one. It wouldn't match the other side for $95. Got to pull this bar out a little bit. It pushes bar, but other than that, she's pretty doggone nice. The chain's awful thirsty, but he just had it serviced and everything. She's ready to go. It's awful heavy on the back of here. Awful heavy. Got a lot of, it weighs 428 pounds, and that rack is rated, it's either 500 or 600. Our friends Phil here. We got Frank and Tammy's coach. They're going to take it down there for them. Tammy can't drive the coach. This is Phil here. He was an RV tech for 30 years. He worked on these, drove these. He's going to be with us for about another week. Chances are pretty good that I'll have to eventually drive this for Frank and Tammy from campsite to campsite or wherever. I've never driven, like I said, 36 feet gas is the biggest thing I've ever driven. But I'll figure it out. I can drive anything. Just about got it. I sure am glad you stopped by to see us.
Me too.
I like you. You're a good fella. I don't care what everybody else says.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
And Miss Lynn's a sweetheart to put up with you.
I'm gonna put what everybody else says about you on my YouTube channel.
Oh, we'll burn the net down.
JC Travel Stories.
There you go.
Did I get that in there?
Well, I've already said it like 3 times.
Thank you.
We'll put a little bubble over to his one side of your head or the other. Go check him out. Morning, Phil. Say hey, YouTube. This is the fella here that's going to be driving Frank's rig. I'm not sure I can do it when it comes to my turn, but
We'll see.
okay, well that makes today's video.
When are you gonna end it?
I'm going to end it right here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hey, we'll see you again soon. You guys take care. And as always, I give God the glory for my life. Jesus Christ, He's my Savior. Okay, we all gotta go. I don't want to be the last one out. See you next time. Bye-bye. It came with a name. I should have never asked the guy what the motorcycle's name was. I've regretted it for 2 days, 3 days. If y'all make a guess and put it down in the comments what the KLR's nickname is. All right, see ya.